Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Annuity. Annuity is a series of specified number of fixed amount regular payment at same interval of time. For example, school fees paid every month, monthly repayment of loan installment, etc. Annuity due or immediate is when the payment of installment is made at the beginning of each annuity period. For example, first day of month, first day of year, etc. Annuity regular is payment of installment is made at the end of each annuity period, that is end of month, end of year, etc. Future value. The value of a particular sum of money at some time in future is called future value. It is denoted by FV. So FV is equal to CF into 1 plus I to the power n, where FV is the future value, CF is the cash flow or the principal, I is the rate of compound interest, n is equal to number of conversion period. Future value of an annuity regular is equal to FR is equal to CF into 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 by I. Future value of an annuity immediate FI is equal to FR into 1 plus I is equal to CF into 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 by I minus 1. Present value. Present value of money is the reciprocal of future value of money. It is actually the today's value of tomorrow's money discounted at the interest rate. This is denoted by PV. So PV is equal to FV by 1 plus I to the power n, where I is equal to rate of compound interest, n is equal to number of conversion period, FV is future value. Present value of an annuity regular. Present value of annuity regular PVR is equal to FVR divided by 1 plus I to the power n is equal to CF into 1 plus I to the power n to the power minus 1 divided by I into 1 plus I to the power n is equal to CF into 1 minus 1 plus I to the power minus n by I, where FVR is equal to future value of annuity regular, PVR is equal to present value of annuity regular, CF is the cash outflow, I is the rate of compound interest, n is number of conversion. Present value of an annuity immediate. PVI is equal to PVR plus CF, where CF is equal to cash flow per period. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.